In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the lock screen wallpaper and picture here on a Windows PC or laptop. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the lock screen is obviously what you see when you first turn on your computer or wake it up, and you can actually easily customize this with your own image. Begin by opening up your settings by selecting the little Windows gear here and then selecting the gear up at the top right. And from here, what you're going to want to do is go to this personalization tab on the left hand sidebar, select it and open it up, and scroll down, and what you're looking for specifically is this lock screen setting. So go ahead and open that up, and once you do that, you're going to see an option to personalize your lock screen. So if you actually go ahead and just select this little like Windows Spotlight option, you're going to see a picture or a slideshow option or even Windows Spotlight. If you want to use your own picture, go ahead and select picture. And after you go ahead and do that, you're going to see some recent images, and then you're also going to have the ability to browse images to choose something from your computer. Once you select an image, you'll see a preview up at the top that's going to show you exactly what your lock screen is going to look like. And that is it. Your lock screen wallpaper is now going to be changed. I personally like to keep mine on Windows Spotlight, but that's just me. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.